Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Revoicer text-to-speech AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Revoicer text-to-speech AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address revoicer.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Revoicer over here guys. And now in order to log into your Revoicer AI account or the text-to-speech AI account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login to Revoicer button available over here for us in the blue. Click on that button and you'll be redirected to the login page of the revoicer.app or the text-to-speech AI. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your credentials like your email address with which you had signed up for an Revoicer account, and after that your password you had entered on the Revoicer at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it is the forgot password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to sign up for a Revoicer text-to-speech AI account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address, your password, simply click on login and then you'll be signed into your Revoicer AI account or the Revoicer text-to-speech AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.